Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Legal provisions of consent. Section 53(1) of CrPC deals with examination of arrested person without his consent upon requisition from the police officer not below the rank of sub-inspector, even by using the reasonable force. So 53(1) CrPC deals that one can examine the arrested person without his consent. That is section 53(1) CrPC. This includes even taking the blood sample. Then section 53(2) CrPC. If such arrested person is a female, then the examination should be done only by a female medical officer or under the supervision of lady medical officer. In 53(2) CrPC, females arrested person being female, then the examination should be done by female medical officer only. 53A CrPC. 53A CrPC deals with examination of accused in a case of rape. 54 CrPC. 54 CrPC deals with examination of arrested person upon his request. Amended 54. In Amended 54, any arrested person should be subjected for medical examination soon after the arrest. According to IPC sections for consent include IPC 87, 88, 89, 90 and 92 are for consent.
thank you and thank you for watching.